Divide your hair into 2 sections. Clip up the top half. Take a flat piece of hair approximately 2 inches wide. Flip the iron 360 degrees towards the top. Glide the iron slowly through your hair in a downward angle. Keep the hair tightly sealed between the plates for the entire motion. For a tighter curl, start the flip closer to the root or take smaller pieces. For a wavy look, start the curl halfway through. For a curlier look, glide the iron slowly. Visit us at sutrabeauty.com to learn more.